Hey guys, I'm Shivangi, your friend and guide. Here I'm with a lot of mini tutorials to make you guys learn design and make your own professional business out of your passion. So in today I'm gonna make a intricate logo like this, some ornamental ones, and for that just open your Illustrator and start by making a document size of 1920 by 1080 pixels that I'm having here, or it's up to you which document size you want. And after that, select a ellipse tool from the toolbar and make a circle by a center by holding shift and alt from keyboard, and I like this much size. And also select the fill to no fill and border outline to your black color. Hold alt and drag by hitting the selection tool and drag it upwards. Similarly, hold alt and drag to drag it downward, and we have a 3. Now just Control C, Control F and to rotate it 90°. Now select all the 6 or say 5 rectangles, 5 ellipses, then just rotate it again and we have something like this. Now with the align tool, make a line from center of the center ellipse by holding alt and shift and dragging it like this. And now with the rotate tool, keyboard shortcut R, just click on the center with alt S and click. You should hold alt S and just click by that all together. Now we have something dialog box here of rotate, and as we can count here that it is 180 with 4, so I will just do 180 divided by 4. No maths to be needed. Done. It will be done by the computer itself. And have a preview. It's okay, then do Control D. So here we have the base structure. Now just select the rectangle tool make a rectangle of that circle size like this on the top and zoom in further with Control plus, and just with the holding Control from the keyboard, select, drag and shift, select the 2 points and drag it inside, something like this. Now go to pen tool, add a point new on this line in the center, and just with a single selection tool, shortcut A, drag it downwards. I am just recoloring the stroke to something blue so that we can understand what is our design. And now select that rectangle like this, that blue one, and just hold Control C, Control F and drag it, rotate, and hold Control C, Control F and just rotate it down. Now I drag it down over here, selecting both the shapes. I'm just again rotating with a Control C, Control F so that we make a duplicate of it and rotate them. Now just making a rectangle, something here, covering my all horizontal 4 circles like this. It's one of the part of our base structure, so give it a black color and make it go back. Yeah, like this. Now again with the ellipse tool, I just make a circle overlapping the earlier one here, and with the pen tool I add some more points on it where they are intersecting with the rest two side by side shapes. And with the scissors I'm just clicking over there so that they get divided. We are getting each part of the red circle as 4 individual parts, and now deleting the extra ones. Just select both the shapes and go to pen tool with the I'm making such a shape like this. So now it's the three parts are now combined as a new shape. And again similarly just duplicate it, rotate it, and again duplicate and rotate so that we get 4 copies of the shape. And now delete the base structure that we have made earlier like this. And deleting all the circles. So we got what we have made, clear look of that, and now rotate it for a single time like this, and with the scissors I'm just deleting the downside part, this one. Yeah, it's done now. So we had made this our intricate style ornamental logo, and we can even play with the colors and gradients if we want in the stroke or with the weight of the stroke. So just giving you a sample, I'm selecting all the shape and holding alt to drag it out there. Let me make a copy of it. Yeah, like this. Now increasing its strokes. Now increasing its strokes and just going to Pathfinder. First of all, make it an expand. Go to object and expand it, and go to Pathfinder and make it unite with the first option, and go to gradient, or you can just go to your swatch, select gradients, and here I select gems. Select the shape first and now apply the gradient to it. I think I like this one. Just making a more intricate style. hold Alt in the gradient slider and select that particular color and drag it. I'm making a new style gradient like this. You can just experiment and get your own style of color that you want. And now here we are. I like this style and it's done. I hope you guys have also enjoyed the video and have liked to make these amazing intricate logos. And if you want such more contents, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to never miss a video update.